Hey everyone, today I'm showing this awesome dynamic login page with animated video backgrounds that respond to your login attempts. Check out how the background video changes based on what you do. When you enter the correct credentials, email, codewithmay17@example.com, password 1111, boom, success animation. But fail once, different video. Fail twice, another one. Keep failing, the video keeps getting more intense. The magic happens with JavaScript state management. We track your login attempts, update the video source dynamically, and show color-coded messages, green for success, red for errors. Everything's responsive and works beautifully on mobile too. The UI features a clean, split-screen design with smooth gradients, professional animations, and that satisfying button hover effect. Plus, form validation ensures you don't submit empty fields. Want to try it yourself? The complete code is available at the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which login animation you liked best. See you in the next one.